Welcome to our roundup of the best drones with 3-axis gimbals. Whether you're looking for stunning aerial footage, smooth stabilization, or a dependable drone for travel and outdoor shooting, we've selected the top-rated models designed to deliver cinematic performance without the high price tag. We'll break down each drone's camera quality, flight range, stability, GPS intelligence, battery performance, and overall user experience to help you find the perfect companion for your next adventure. Do not forget to check the description box below for updated deals and availability. Let's get started and see which drone stands out for you. The first on the list is the WDS-Seacam YFS X1 Max. This drone is built for aerial creators who want stable footage and long-range performance without spending a fortune. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures ultra-smooth videos, even in windy conditions, making your shots look cinematic from takeoff to landing. The 4K camera provides sharp details and vibrant colors, giving you footage that stands out whether you're capturing landscapes or action scenes. The GPS smart system adds precise hovering, intelligent return to home, and accurate waypoint flight, so even beginners can fly with confidence. One of the standout strengths here is its long flight capability. With the included batteries, you'll get extended airtime perfect for landscape shoots or travel vlogging. It also comes with a stable brushless motor setup that enhances speed, reduces noise, and improves overall reliability. Overall, this is an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate creators who want smooth footage, dependable GPS, and great value. Next up is the ZLL L600 Pro Max. This impressive drone combines advanced design with powerful aerial performance, making it ideal for anyone wanting cinematic-grade shots on a budget. The 3-axis gimbal works together with electronic stabilization to produce steady video even during fast movement or high elevation changes. Its upgraded 4K camera captures crisp, color-rich footage, making your aerial shots look professional and refined. The drone's positioning accuracy is another highlight. It uses dual GPS and optical flow for precise hovering, meaning you get stable frames even when recording at slow speeds. The long flight range allows you to explore wide-open areas and capture scenes from impressive distances, while the battery system supports extended flying time. Smart features like Follow Me mode, Orbit mode, and Waypoint missions add more creativity and control to your flights. Overall, the L600 Pro Max offers strong stability, excellent range, and powerful intelligent flight modes, making it a great choice for adventurers and creators alike. Next, we have the Potensic Atom 2, a compact drone known for its strong stabilization and travel-friendly design. Despite its small size, it features a true 3-axis gimbal paired with a high-resolution 4K camera capable of delivering stunning aerial shots. The footage remains incredibly stable, even during sharp turns or sudden wind gusts. Its lightweight build makes it perfect for travel content creators and hobbyists who want a portable drone without sacrificing camera quality. With precise GPS positioning, the Atom 2 locks onto satellites quickly and maintains steady hovering for clean, blur-free shots. The intelligent tracking system is reliable, enabling smooth follow-me footage whether you're running, biking, or exploring. In addition, the drone has impressive acceleration and responsiveness, giving you full creative control over dynamic shots. Overall, the Potensic Atom 2 is perfect for travelers and vloggers who need high-quality stabilized video in a lightweight, easy-to-carry drone. Next up is the L600 Pro Max, a drone designed for users who want smooth 4K recordings with longer flight time and high GPS accuracy. Its upgraded 3-axis gimbal ensures crystal clear and stable footage regardless of movement, making it ideal for scenic shots or action tracking. The 4K camera offers detailed imaging with reduced noise, and the color reproduction is impressive for a drone in this category. With intelligent GPS functions, the Pro Max executes automated flight paths, returns home accurately when the battery is low, and maintains stable hovering even in environments with minimal visual markers. The dual battery system extends total flight time significantly, which is extremely beneficial during long filming sessions. Overall, the L600 Pro Max is ideal for pilots who want long battery life, excellent stabilization, and reliable autonomous flight features. The last one on our list is the SUTS L600 Pro Max/Pro, a premium drone built for beginners, hobbyists, and creators who need stability, strong imaging, and dependable flight control. Equipped with a precise 3-axis gimbal and a 4K ultra-high-definition camera, it delivers remarkably smooth and vivid footage. Even in windy conditions, the video remains stable and sharp, making it easy to capture cinematic shots without professional equipment. The GPS system is fast and highly responsive, ensuring accurate return to home, stable auto-hover, and consistent flight tracking. One of its biggest strengths is the long flight range supported by powerful battery efficiency and stable signal performance, allowing you to fly farther and explore more. Overall, the SUTS L600 Pro Max/Pro delivers top-tier stabilization, impressive range, and intelligent shooting modes, making it one of the best all-around drones in its class. So, that wraps up our list of the best drones with 3-axis gimbals. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more high-value tech breakdowns. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.